Hello wood turners and makers, and welcome back to my channel. I decided the other day to get up early and have a walk around the car boot sale, and I picked up some clock bits. They are working, so I believe we'll insert these into a piece of wood. So now it's time to go to the lathe and turn some wood. Do you get it? Time to go to the lathe. Time. Alright, I'll see you at the lathe then. Okay, welcome to the lathe. Piece of wood's on there now, so it's now time to true it all up and get it ready for our clock workings to go in. Speak to you soon. Right, we'll get the measurement sorted on this now, of where I've got to take out the miggle for this to sit in. Okay, that's all marked out now. I'm going to start hollowing that out now till that literally is just right in there and you can't see it from the sidewards. Start to hollow it all out now. Okay, nearly there, but what I am going to do now, for that piece, you see, from that piece there that sticks out, I've got to drill an hole straight the way through for that to slide in. Okay, found the correct size drill that I need to drill the hole out. Let's do that now. Okay, I'm at the depth now. The clock workings now fits in there comfortable. When you look on the side, you won't be able to see it too clear. Okay then, right, the hollowing out is all completed to the depth that I want for the mechanism. So I'll put a couple of decorative lines just there, then sand it all down, and away we go. Okay, that is how I want to leave it now, the back of the clock workings. So I'm going to sand that all down now, and I will start at 120 down to 400. Once I've done that, I'll come back to you and then I'll show you what finishes and the next stage of it. Okay, welcome back. Sanded it all down now. Put the sanding sealer on, then nibbed it off a bit. Now what I've got to do now is just measure that flat there on the side, so I know, so when I'm on the front, I know where I'm coming down to. now that's done, I'm going to pour the Yorkshire grit on, and followed by the new family of the Yorkshire grit, the microfine. Once I put that on, the finish, again wood wax 22 is the finish waxing that I'm putting on this piece. Nice clean piece now. Give it the final little buff off. Now it's time for Yorkshire grit micro adhesive paste. That's how it looks like. Right, that's all that applied now. Now it's time to put the wood wax 22, couple of coats. Once I've done all that, I'll come back to you and then it'll be time to turn it around and then concentrate on the front of the clock. See it in a minute. Just to protect the inside of that, we'll just put a paper towel on it and then mount it on. Okay, welcome back. I took it down the wasted wood that I wanted. So now that is where that is going to go on now. So I'm going to put a mark on there. Like so. And I can just put a bit of decorative, perhaps turn this round a bit, but not to go any further than that because of that sitting in there. Okay. Okay, and welcome back. All the sanding's now been done. Sanding sealer applied, Yorkshire grit applied, Yorkshire grit microfine applied. I put 2 coats of wood wax 22. I'm going to put another one on now, and then that's the part of the clock ready, and then it's time to do the base of the clock. Okay, I'll let that dry a minute, buff that all up. Once that's done, that can go over to the bench, and then we'll start on the base. And happy days. Okay then, welcome back. I found another piece of wood up the top there, and this is what I'm going to use to do the base. Okay then, I'll buff that off when it's dry, put another coat on, and then we're ready to go over to the bench then. Okay, and welcome to the bench. I've got the base now connected to it. I've put the workings of the clock in now. All that's left now is to get the front put on. I've already pre-done the holes ready for it to go in. I believe that's the way it goes. Like so. We'll put a bit of glue or something around that later on. The clock fingers just fit there, make sure they're nice and straight. Like that. And there we go. Nice little clock out of bits and bobs in the shed. With some clock bits off the cardboard shelf. So there we are. Yeah. There's the clock. There's the back of the fiction. The underneath. Really stuck on, just drying up still a bit. Let's get you into shot. And there we are. I'll leave some stills at the end. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Hope to see you again soon. Thank you very much. Bye now.